Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you guys joining me once again. Today I am going to do a very easy 5 to 10 minute makeup routine. Natural look, easy, flawless makeup routine. I know a lot of the times we don't have time to just spend on making a really dramatic smoky eye, or we're not always going out, but we just kind of want to look somewhat put together. I hope that you guys enjoy the video, so let's just go ahead and jump right in. I am going to just do a quick concealer under eye in my little T-zone area here. That's it. Do you see how fast that was? It took like 10 seconds. We're on it. And then the foundation. This is a full coverage foundation, but if you use a BB cream, CC cream, ZZ cream, whatever you use, whatever you normally use on your face, whether it's lightweight or if you just don't want to use anything at all, you just want to put some moisturizer on, just put some moisturizer on. I have a little bit of uneven skin tone. I have some blemishes, so I just kind of want to get them covered up. Might as well. All right, now I'm just gonna go in and sponge it out. You guys are more than welcome to use whatever you want, your fingers. I typically use a sponge. It just seems to kind of blend everything out how I want it to more, but you can use whatever. A nice foundation brush always works. Done. Now for me, this is gonna go different for everybody, but for me, like a quick, easy, like 5 to 10 minute just quick makeup application, I would use like my concealer, my foundation. I'm more than likely going to use a highlighter and a bronzer just because I just want to give a little bit of definition to my face. Now you don't have to use that, it doesn't make or break it. Literally I could just throw on some mascara and be done, but I do kind of want to make sure that since I'm putting some stuff on, I might as well. And bronzer and highlighter literally take like 2.2 seconds. Watch, I'll show you. Done. The thing with bronzer and highlighter, it literally just takes like, just a couple seconds just to throw it on there. Look at me go. Done. Now for the eyes, grab a nude palette. Any palette, if as long as it has some nude colors, some light browns, dark browns, a nice like taupe color, that's all you need. That's all you need. Just grab that. Grab it right now. I literally am just making this so cheap and easy for you guys. Go to your local Dollar Tree, grab, look at this LA Colors palette. This isn't even really a nude palette. Look, it's got some golds and some berries and reds in there. But I have a light brown, a dark brown, and then even just like this little nice highlight color that I can pop in the corner of my eyes and on my brow bone. Done. It's that easy. Let's grab a fluffy brush. Let's grab a mirror. So we're gonna grab that medium color fluffy brush. Boom. Pop it right here. Done. Other side. Done. Literally took 2 seconds. Darker brown. I'm grabbing this shade right here. Pop it on a fluffy brush. Boom. I'm gonna take this more into my crease, more like the outer side. I'm not going all the way in. I'm only going to about the middle of my eye. Why? Because this is just gonna be a quick and easy look. Natural, nice, shadowed look. That's it. You guessed it. Done. Other side. I'm telling you guys, it does not take much to just be able to just do like a nice, easy, simple, like I used to do this all the time, like for work. I would just go in, grab a couple brown shades, just pop them on my eye really quick, and you know, mom life, we don't have time to really like get ready like that, but we just want to look at least a little bit presentable, like we did something with ourselves. I'm just going in and deepening it a little bit more because I like to. Done. Now watch this. Throw your brush out of here. Grab your little highlighter color with whatever finger you prefer. Pop it right here. Do you want to know why? It helps brighten your eyes and open your eyes up. And if it's a little bit too glammy for you, forget it. But if you want to just add a little bit more, Just do it, and then right there on the brow bone. Look at how easy. We could have probably did this whole entire thing with our fingers. Done. If you wear mascara, we can put some mascara on. If you wear lashes, you want to put lashes on, go ahead and put them on. If you normally wear eyeliner, put it on. I don't. I'm just gonna pop on a mascara. Why? Because this is my easy go-to makeup. This is what I do. Now I'm just grabbing my mascara. This is the Maybelline The Falsies Volume Express mascara. I don't know, it's a really, really nice mascara to me. If I do a couple coats with it, it really, really does like make my eyelashes pop. Now, for those of you that do like to do your brows every day, this is for you. For those of you that do not, don't worry about it. It's gonna take me 2 seconds, so no need to fast forward. Brows. So I'll just go in and just kind of fill in any missing little spots here. Done. It's like my word for this video. Done. Actually, you know what? Comment below, done. Actually, comment below how many times I said done during this video. That would be great. So now we're done with the eyes. I love lipstick. I can't really go anywhere without lipstick on. So instead of doing like a nude lipstick, I am going to use like a very I like mauve lipstick. I don't know why, I just do. And to me, it is kind of natural. You know, my lips are kind of a little bit more pinky anyway, so it just kind of gives it a little bit of depth. That's all. So last thing, if you're a lipstick person, if you're not, I dare you to try some lipstick. Go out, or even a lip gloss. I like more matte. I don't really like glossy too much, just kind of depending on the mood. But if you don't typically wear lipstick, go out of your comfort zone for a quick second. Enjoy what makeup is used for. Enjoy why it is invented. To have fun, to make you kind of go out of your comfort zone a little bit. Grab some, look at, this is not even, let's just put it on. See, it's just a little bit darker. But when I put it on, it doesn't look dark at all. It doesn't look that dark. It's not like, oh my God, she has really dark lipstick on. Easy, everyday, natural look. Thanks again for stopping by and watching the video. This is your easy, everyday 5 to 10 minute makeup routine. Don't forget to comment below done on how many times I said done. Go ahead and click the thumbs up button if you liked this video and if you want to see more. And also don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.